Hi, welcome to my channel System Web Tech. In this video, we are going to learn the overtime hours and wages, which is very important to know how we can calculate or deal with the time, date and times. So in this video, we are going to learn the time, how to deal with the time only. So this is what we have taken regular working hours. So generally regular working hours is the 8 hours. So I applied the formula time 8 comma 0 comma 0. So that is 8 is showing hour, right? So I have taken the use the time formula. Let's show you why I use the time formula. So this is the way we will create it, calculate the overtime hours. So here we will, let me take the formula time, and now it's asking me hour. So my employees have entered 10 comma 30 minute comma 00 second, right? I have entered just simple 10, so it will give me the 10:30 am in am format. Now let's double click it. Now it's showing me 10, but if I will convert, take it into the 22, and let's take it 0. So now it's showing me 10 p.m. right? Now it's showing me in the, I have entered the 24 hours format, values in 24 hours format, but after entered, as I entered, it's showing me in the PM, AM and PM format, whereas in formula I have entered 24 hours format. After entered, it's showing me 12-hour format. So this is how time formula works. So let's feed it, fill it fast. So here I have taken 23 comma 0 comma 0 11 p.m. Similarly here 12 a.m. So for this 12 a.m. either you may take 0 comma 0 comma 0, it will show me the 12 a.m. right? So either you may use the 24 hour or 0 comma 0. Now here it's asking me 1 p.m. So for 1 p.m. we have the 13 0 comma 0 1 p.m. Here I will take 14 for 2 p.m. and 15 for 3 p.m. Now let's take here also logout time. Now we will enter the time, that is 18 comma 30 minutes comma 00. So now it's showing me 6:30. So this is the benefit of time formula. It converts into the 12-hour format. 8. So simple, we will enter the 16, or we will enter the 18 comma 0 comma 0 6, sorry, 20. Now we get the 8 a.m. Oh, we have to fill the 8 only. 8 a.m. So let's drag it, and 10 a.m. 10 a.m. right? 10 a.m. sorry 10 a.m. and here we need to take 10 p.m. So for this it is a 22 hour Here let's show you. This time let me take the 24 hour. It will show me 12 a.m. and for 1 a.m. simply we will enter the 1. So we got in 1 a.m. This is the benefit we get in 12 hours format. Now what's the matter? Let me minus 6:30 p.m. so that we get the total hours worked. 6C15 minus login time, logout time minus login time. So we get the in AM. Double click it, so we are getting again error. If I will go to the home, simply convert it into the time and let's choose the hours format, custom, and I'm typing here double H. Double H stand for hours, so I get the hours. That's okay, but let's take the format in hours and minute, right? So let me take the hours and minute format, hours, minute and seconds. So this is how we get total hours worked. But what is we are facing the issue in AM minus PM. This PM we are getting the perfect answer, no issue. In AM also we are not getting issue. PM minus AM also we are not getting issue. The only issue Excel makes in subtracting the time format from AM to PM. So for this, what we will do, simply we apply the if formula. If this logout time is greater than login time, then we want this format, then we want this working hours, C15 minus P15. Otherwise it to the +1. +1 is for next AM minus PM. If otherwise we get the formatting of AM minus PM. This is, you have to remember, you just need to add the +1. +1 is for next level. You may say it is for next level AM minus PM formatting. And now we will close the bracket and let's enter it or double click. So we get the hours. Perfect answer. 8 AM minus 10 PM. 10 hours person worked. Now what we will calculate it, overtime hours. So for overtime hours, this is our person worked, total hours worked by person minus regular daily office, regular working hours. I will simply enter, so we are getting the perfect answer again. And now let me do the double click here. Again we are getting the error. To resolve this, why we are getting, you should know that our range is C4 cell. It selects the C4 where a value is present in the C2 cell. So we have to fix the formula before dragging. Let me fix it by applying function F4 key. Now I will drag it. So we are getting the perfect answer. Now hourly rate is 100 rupees. If employee do 1 hour extra, so for 1 hour it is 100 rupees. So let me convert it into the currency. Either if your currency is in dollar, you may apply the dollar, else my currency is more accounting formats and let me choose it. INR, Indian currency, INR. Okay, right? And let me double click it. I have dragged it, and simple we will do the multiplication number of overtime working hours into overtime hourly rate, so we get the overtime wages, right, into asterisk sign or multiplication, and we will get the values. But this is what we are getting, overtime wages. So why we are not getting the answer? It is simple, 2 into 100. Excel should return the 200 or 300 or 100, but here we are getting the error. So to resolve this error, we will do, we will apply the hour formula, right? We will apply the hour formula. So let me, because it's showing error while doing the multiplication with the overtime hourly rate, so we will convert it into the hour first and then we will multiply. Serial number, it's asking me serial number. It is nothing, just your value present in the cell. Now close the bracket, enter it and double click. So it give me the hours, 2 hour, 3 hour, 1 hour. Now what we will do, instead of E column, we will multiply with the F column value. I will click enter, and here we get the results. 200, 2 hour into 100, 200 rupees, 3 into 100, 300 rupees, and so on. So hope you like this video and concept. I explained you in very simple format. This is a very simple way. Hope you enjoy and able to calculate the overtime hours and wages. Any doubt, then do comment in the comment section. If you want more videos on more other concepts as well, then do comment and keep watching our videos present in the playlist. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.